Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. And for all of my goodies, don't know some love on, let's get cooking. So here I have my nice washed beef. To the beef I added 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. Now I'm gonna add some seasoning, some powder seasoning. I'm adding all-purpose seasoning, some jerk seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, some black pepper. Alright, I'm not adding any salt. Alright, so I'm gonna add all my seasoning to the meat, and then I'm going to add some browning. Now if you like, you could just omit the browning and just burn your sugar. Alright, but I choose to do the fast method today. So if you want to just burn the sugar, or you can just add a little browning and also burn the sugar, it will be just fine. So ensure that you season your beef nicely, and then after doing so, I'm not gonna marinate my beef, guys, so we're gonna just add it to the pot. Alright, now for the recipe, I'm not going to be doing any brown sugar method, but if you like, you could always go ahead and do so. So to the pot I added some oil, so now I'm just adding my beef. Now because I did not marinate my beef, so I'm going to sear my beef first. So if you are going to use the burnt sugar method, you'd have to burn the sugar first and then you add your beef. Alright guys, so I'm just going to add all of the beef to the pot, and then I will show you the next step. So searing the beef give it a nice color, and also it bring out the flavors together. Alright, it gives your beef a nice flavor. So once I get some color, guys, I'm just gonna toss the beef so that the other side can get some color. Now of course, guys, if you want to omit this step, then you can, but it packs your beef with so much flavor, so you don't want to skip it. So just cover your pot and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. Now after that time has passed, my beef spring some juices. So it's good to cook your beef in its own juices for some time. Alright, so after that time, guys, I'm gonna add some hot water. Now I'm just gonna rinse the bowl that I used to season the beef in, and then I'm going to add it to the pot. Remember, you don't want to use cold water because it will stop the cooking process. Alright, you want to ensure that you use hot water, alright, so that your meat can be juicy and tender, and it also cooks your meat faster. So I'm just gonna cover the pot, guys, and let it simmer on a very low flame. You don't want to cook your meat on a high flame. Now I reserve some water in the bowl to add to the meat, because as it cooks, the liquid is going to reduce, so you want to add some more. Alright, so after that time, I return and show you the next step. So after about 45 minutes, the beef is fully tender, so I am going to cook down the meat. Alright, now to ensure that your meat is soft enough, you're going to take a thick piece of the meat and you're going to pierce it with a fork. If it goes through it, then your meat is cooked. Alright, you could also test several pieces to ensure that some cook and some don't cook. So I'm adding some natural seasoning to the pot. All ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So after adding my seasoning, I am going to add some scotch bonnet pepper. Now I don't like a lot of pepper, guys, so I'm going to add a small piece. Alright, so you add it to your taste. So after adding my scotch bonnet pepper, I'm going to add some mixed vegetables. Now I'm using the store-bought mixed vegetables. If you like, you could use your fresh vegetables. Alright, now I do a different version of stew beef today, so I'm not gonna add no fresh vegetables. So just give them a nice mix, and as you can see, guys, the pot look colorful and nice. So after that, I'm gonna add some tomato ketchup. Now, if you know if I know tomato ketchup, guys, don't add it. Alright. Now I'm gonna add some more water because we need enough gravy to eat with my food. So if you don't want no more gravy, just cover your pot and make it simmer. But ensure that you taste to make sure say your food have enough flavor. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do that after I'm finished mixing. So I tasted, but I just need a little salt, maybe like a 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna add that, and then I'm gonna just cover the pot and make it cook. Alright? Guys, this beef, normally I don't do my beef fancier, but trust me, this method it tastes amazing. Your whole family will enjoy the recipe. Trust me, guys. Now at this point, my beef is all done. It is looking also juicy and delicious. So I'm gonna just give it, a nice little mix, and then I'm gonna just put out the flame. Alright, guys. Now I'm having mine with some rice. Now, if you like to add yours with any other thing, then go ahead and do so. So this is the end product. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Also share the video with others and giving me a thumbs up. And also guys, follow me on Instagram at recipe_tamaro. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.